Hi guys. I wanted to try to wait till the air conditioner shut off before I did this video, but I thought I would miss them if I did. So these are my little buddies, my parrots, that visit me every morning, every afternoon, and on days that I'm off work and I don't get up and outside to my car at that scheduled time in the morning, they let me know. So they are so precious. I don't know if the camera can pick it up because they're far away, obviously, on the wire, the power line, but they are bright neon green colored, and they're just beautiful. I call them little screamy memes sometimes. Oh, I love them.